Hello everyone. Today we will study about heating and cooling of atmosphere. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So, the earth after being heated by insolation transmit the heat to the atmosphere layers near to the earth in a long wave form. So earth receives the sunlight from the sun in a short wavelength form and transmit back to the atmosphere in a long wave form. The air in contact with the land gets heated slowly. An upper layer in contact with lower layer also get heated. This process is called conduction. So the conduction is a heated slowly and upper layer in a contact with lower layer also get heated. So this process is called as a conduction. Now, conduction takes place when two bodies of unequal temperature are in contact with one another. There is flow of energy from the warmer to a cooler body. It continues until the both body attain the same temperature or a contact is broken. So conduction takes place till the same temperature is established or contact is been broken. Now, the air in contact with earth rises vertically on heating in form of currents and further transmit heat of the temperature. This process of vertically heating of the atmosphere is known as convection. So what is a convection? The heating of earth, the air rises in vertically in upper atmosphere. So this is also known as a convection. It is only confined to troposphere. The transfer of heat through horizontal movement of air is called advection. So what is the difference between advection and convection? In convection air travels vertically and in advection it travels in horizontally. Horizontal is more important than vertical. In middle latitude most of the direct day and night variation is caused by advection and 90-degree is the outcome of advection. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more videos on this.